In this video, I'm going to walk you through my system for building mugs and cups. We'll start with this specific shape, and once you've learned the steps, you'll be able to create any mug or cup from my collection. Let's go over the tools you'll need to roll your slabs and assemble your mug. You will need a clay wire cutter, angle cutter, a wood modeling tool, a craft knife, a rib tool, a scoring tool and brush, a pottery template. I use mine often, so I've transferred them to balsa wood or plywood. I highly recommend using cookie cutters for cutting bases or decorative handles. You'll need a bucket of water and vinegar to make your magic slip, a canvas surface for rolling your slabs, wood sticks, a rolling pin, a sponge, and a patch clay or slurry, and this will help you repairing small cracks or reattaching a handle if needed. From our block of clay, we're going to use the cutter and cut a slab. We're going to place the slab over the work surface and start flipping it from back to front many times. You'll see how it starts to expand. Then use your rolling pin and continue the expansion of the slab. Flip and turn again. Now, using your wood sticks, you'll guide the slab thickness. Flip and turn as needed. When you're happy with your slab, use the rib tool to compress and smooth the slab. This will help prevent warping later. But if you want, you can leave one side showing up the texture of the canvas. Lay your mug body template on the slab and cut around it with a steady hand. I'll cut the body, base, and handle. Remove any excess clay and save it for another project. So here, you can see we have the shape for the scallop handle, the body, and the base. If you'd like, you can sign your work now using a stamp tool. Next, I'm going to cut the handle shape with my knife and a small cookie cutter and set it aside. I'll move to the body. Using the angle cutter, I'll cut one edge first. Flip the slab and cut from the opposite side for clean matching edges. Score both edges where the cylinder will join. Then brush on slip. Now curve the slab into a cylinder shape and firmly press the score edges together. Use your fingers or a wooden tool to blend the seam on the inside and outside. Next, score the bottom of your cylinder, brush on slip and press the two pieces together. Gently tap to secure and refine the connection. Flip the cap and push the base into the surface of the body. Do the same inside the mug. Join both sections using your wood tool. Then flip your piece again and tap the base into the body. Smooth everything you think it needs to be smoothed out. Our cup is looking quite good and we will let it dry a bit before attaching the ham. We don't want the cup to be too wobbly. So when you feel the clay strong but not dry, you can start smoothing out the rim and body. We are going to pick the handle and score both edges. We are also going to score the two spots on the cup where we want to attach the handle. Add slip to the handle and attach it to the body of the cup. Here you will gently push the body into the handle. Smooth and blend the joints with your fingers and tools until the connection is seamless. I'm going to show you how to smooth the handle into the body, but I recommend you to not move the cup when doing this. Okay, so after smoothing the handle into the body, we will leave the cup dry. Drying time will vary depending on your climate and clay thickness. I usually wait about 1 day until it's bone dry before bisque firing. The next day, when it's dry, you'll smooth out any imperfections and hairlines you might find using water and vinegar. And that's it. Now you're ready for the first firing. If you have any questions, just let me know. Remember, this course also comes with a digital PDF that includes photo instructions, so you can follow along at your own pace. And if you have any questions, just let me know.